Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Tokyo Games token or TGT on Binance Alpha. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to search box here in the top. And then you can search TGT. Click enter and then there will be TGT on Alpha. You can click it. And then now this is the chart. You can see. And if you want to see the details, you can click info in the top here. You can see the market cap, the volume, and the highest price. Then you can also see the audit here. And if you want to buy it, you can just click trade in the bottom here. And then you can choose limit or instant a buy. You can swap your BNB or other token to TGT. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.